Alright, it's time to redo the exhaust on the old 1969 K20. The pipes that are on it are just gone. They are rusted. The glass packs have rusted through, and figured I'd do a quick before video and then an after video. The plan is to do 2.5-inch exhaust with some 40 Series Flowmaster mufflers, so should sound pretty good after this. Alright, we've got the new exhaust, 2.5-inch pipes, Flowmaster 40 Series mufflers on the Chevy. The mounting's not perfect, but it's good enough for this truck. Try to show you real quick what we did. The mufflers are kind of angled in to work around the drive shaft, and then pretty much tied into the factory collectors, and then put some tailpipes that dump just behind the rear axle. Nothing crazy. Simple, good enough for this truck and for what we need. So we'll fire it up and see how it sounds.